Hey everyone, welcome back to Mastering Docker 2025 from developer to production. In the last video, I gave you an overview of this playlist and what you can expect in the coming sessions. Today, we are officially starting with the Docker journey with the most important question: what is Docker? Why was it created? And what problem it actually solves? We all have faced this problem. The code runs perfectly fine on your laptop, but when you share with your teammates or deploy it in your production environment, it breaks. That's the classic developer nightmare. It works on my machine. For example, one developer might be on Windows and other developer might be on Mac OS. What software the developer has built is compatible only for Windows but not for Mac OS. Or I am using a Node.js 14 version and my teammates are using Node.js 15 or 16, but my production environment is on Node.js 24. We'll be wasting time in upgrading or downgrading these versions of this particular software, where we are wasting a lot of time, and also we might face some huge bugs due to the version difference in the code. These mismatches led to bugs and wasted time, where the software delivery is a bit delayed compared to the expected one. This is exactly why Docker came into action in 2013 to resolve all the compatibility issues once and for all. So, in this video, we'll be seeing what is Docker, why was it created, what problem it really solves. So, what is Docker at a high level? Docker is a virtualization software. It makes the development and deployment much more easier by isolating the applications inside a container. Basically, Docker packages your applications with all its configuration, dependencies, packages, and runtime environment into a single standalone unit called as containers. Now, these containers are used to run your application in different environments. Now, let's understand Docker in detail by taking a simple example. Now, think Docker container like a lunchbox. In your lunchbox, you pack rice. But for lunch, you not only have just rice, you require some other extra ingredients like the side dishes, the appetizers. Now, this rice is like your code. Your code is always dependent on some dependencies, some modules, packages, configurations, etc. Now, along with the rice, we add our extra side dishes or the appetizers and curry along with it. So, along with the code, we are adding all our dependencies into the lunchbox and we are packing it. Now, the rice, curry, spoon, tissues, everything you need for your meal is inside that one box. No matter where you go, your workstation or cafeteria or a picnic, the lunch is complete and works the same irrespective of where you are having. Now, this lunchbox ensures that the taste of the food what you have packed is consistent and portable in all the environments irrespective of where you are having it. Similarly, Docker packages your application with its code, dependencies, configuration, libraries, and runtime environments into a single unit called a container. Wherever you run it, Windows, Mac, Linux, or cloud, it behaves exactly the same. So Docker ensures that the code, the configuration, and the packages are consistent throughout the development, packaging, and in execution. Normally, you write code and install the dependencies separately on each and every system, which is messy and inconsistent. With Docker, everything is bundled together inside a single container, ensuring reliability across all environments. With Docker, everything is bundled together within a container, ensuring reliability across all the environments. So this leads to two of the Docker's biggest advantages: consistency. Your app runs the same everywhere. Portability, move your app easily across machines and environments. So, why should we actually use Docker? Here are the key benefits. Consistency, runs same everywhere. Portability, moves apps across systems and clouds. Lightweight, faster and smaller than a virtual machine. Isolation, containers don't interfere with each other. Scalability, scale apps up or down with ease. Simplified deployment, package once, run anywhere. So that's your introduction to Docker, why it exists, what it is and what problem it solves. In the next video, we'll get into what architecture Docker follows, and then we'll look into how we can install Docker on our machine, and then we'll run our very first container using Docker. So stay tuned for this series.